Doctors are amazed. This recipe renews the knees and joints. Specialists guarantee that the shameful baddie stance is the real reason for issues and agony in the joints, legs, and back. Such issues may bring about much more complexities, so they should be dealt with on time. This regular cure establishes the best possible capacity of knees and joints and improves the structure of bones and enhances their consistency. This is the means by which to set up this gelatin treatment. Fixings: 3 tablespoons raisins, 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin, 40 grams, 8 teaspoons flax seeds, 4 tablespoons sesame seeds, 40 grams pumpkin seeds, 200 grams nectar. Guidelines: in a bigger bowl, blend the fixings recorded above and mix well until you get a homogeneous blend. At that point, move the cure in a glass bun. Utilize: you ought to utilize this cure day by day. Take a teaspoon twice every day, prior to your breakfast and lunch. This treatment will upgrade the flexibility of the ligaments and tendons, reinforce the bones and joints, and will also fortify the digestion system. Thanks for watching this video.